What's up guys, it's me Victor again with another unboxing video. Today we are going to be unboxing a pulse oximeter, or pulse oximeter. Basically what a pulse oximeter is you put it on your finger, like in between those two things, and measures your pulse and your the amount of oxygen in your blood. Comes with a nice fancy carrying case. Okay. Alright. Looks like it comes in here. Alright. So we're gonna open this up. These things are like super light because they're just basically plastic. Now this features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Well, it might be just Bluetooth. Hold on. Let's read the box. Dun dun dun. Color OLED display. Brightness control for actions. Okay. Bluetooth 4.0. This is not about Wi-Fi, so it connects to your smartphone. So that's what the Bluetooth is for. Okay. Has a little thing for your neck. You just wear it around your neck. Comes with two AAA batteries and some documentation here. All right. FYI, if you guys work in the medical field, this is a pretty good device for on the go, I guess. Of course, nothing is like using the actual equipment at your local hospital. Display type, okay, measurement range, resolution 1%, accuracy 100%. Alright, so these are basically the specifications of what it needs. Okay, you guys can pause the video there if you want to see. I'm just going to continue. Okay, alrighty. Throw the box aside. Throw the documentation aside. Sorry about the messy desk. Alright, so I'm going to just open up these batteries. I actually have other batteries aside that I'm going to, because, yeah, opening these things up like that on the YouTube video is complicated. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up. Kind of hype actually. So, I mean, I use other people's at my job, but these things. So just put the battery in. Make sure you read the correct input, people. Okay. Negative. I do kind of wish this wasn't like, you know, just battery operated like this. I wish it was like had its own battery inside, but rechargeable, you just like plug in when it dies. But at the same time, it's also nice to have removable batteries in a device like this as well. So yeah, these are rechargeable batteries that I got recently. So there we go. Oh, I heard something. Alright, I'm going to take this plastic protection off. Okay. Something popped up on my screen that was random. Okay. I'm going to press this button to activate. Alright. Let's see if it reads anything. Oh. Looks like I'm a breathing human being here. It's picking up. Okay, I'm 98%. It says that my battery's like jacked up. It's like low on battery. Doesn't make any sense. I just charged these. So that's the okay, cool. 99%, and my pulse is 95, 90. That's basically my heart rate. Thump, 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 which is cool. So it's really cool for on the go. There's where your strap loop goes. And yeah, that's basically it. Nothing super special about this thing. And there's like a little laser inside there where you place your finger where it reads. That's how it gets its accuracy and whatnot. So yeah, there we go. Simple device, especially for y'all out there in the medical field, EMT, whoever you are. So I would recommend this. This cost me $38 because it has Bluetooth and all that fancy stuff. But you can get ones that are cheaper, that are more hashtag basic, but this is good. And I'm excited to use this for on the go. So, and it shuts off after a few seconds when you don't use it, so definitely saves on the battery. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.